Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off or changing the speed-dependent volume adjustment on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, your entertainment volume will increase when the car speeds up. If you would like to turn this setting off or adjust it, then follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap Sound. Tap Settings at the bottom. Then tap Speed Dependent Volume Adjustment. You can use the volume slider to change the volume adjustment. If you go all the way to the right or the plus, the volume will increase more as the car speeds up. If you move the slider to the left or the minus, the volume will increase less as you speed up. This means that when the car speeds up, the media volume will not increase. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.